Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram not sending security code on email or phone number. So if I go for forgot password here, now search for my account and gives a security code to your email. So if you not get this code, so go back uh, on your screen and go for your settings here. Click on this add to notification. Go for notification. Scroll down. Click on see all from last 7 days. Now you can see the message option is here. Click on it and you have to turn on all these things. These four things you have to turn on, and again now you have to turn off if do not disturb is turn on. You have to turn off it, and then you can get your recovery code from here on your mail. After that, just copy the code from here and enter here. So that's it. That's the process. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
Today's video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.